Hello everyone, welcome to Maggi Catering Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make tasty fried fish. You see how I'm enjoying with my hot pepper? This is the ingredients you need. You can use any fish you want. And this is the grounded ginger and garlic, shrimp Maggi powder, Adobo, curry powder, fish seasoning, flour, oil for frying, and make sure your fish is cleaned good. You see, I clean it good, and you marking side and side. The way I'm doing it, do the same. If you are using this type of fish, you should do the same. Add all the spices together. This is the grounded ginger, shrimp Maggi powder, Adobo, fish seasoning, curry powder, and you mix all together. The way I'm doing it, do the same and taste. If the salt is not okay for you, add more adobo to it, because adobo have too many salts inside. That's why I didn't add salt. Put your fish into the bowl and you add all the mixed spices you have done it to it. Add it to it. This my recipe is very nice and tasty. So this fish you can enjoy with rice, bangkun, garim, anything you want to use your fish to eat. You can use this fish to eat with. And this is supposed to be cover it for 30 minutes. Let be red for 30 minutes. This is the flour. You add fish season to it. If you don't have it, you can add Maggi. If you don't have Maggi, forget, you can make it like that. And you heat your oil, coating all your fish. You see what I'm doing it? Do the same, please. Coating it, you put the flour on your fish. This is the deep frying. Start frying the fish. I'm thanking my old subscribers, and if you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell there. And don't forget to leave your comments on my comment section. Please comment, yeah? And you should fry until golden brown. You see how nice it looks? Yeah, that's supposed to be look. So don't let your fire too high. Medium, use the medium to fry it, because if you make it too high, it will burn and it will not well cook. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share my Facebook page. I'm there too. You can comment also there, and follow me on Instagram. You see how nice it look? Enjoy. Ayado, Oyakono Papa. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell there, like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.